Hello friends. Welcome to the Tech Talks Engineered channel. Today we will see why EVs, that is electric cars, are superior to the IC engine cars, performance-wise, and also in almost all the aspects and features. How? Let's see. The main point about EV, which probably nobody has ever discussed, will be clarified at the end of this video. Please watch the complete video. So, let's get started. We want a car engine to be punchy, responsive and quick. So car enthusiasts purchase cars with high engine capacity, that is high engine cc, high horsepower, and high torque. Guess what? IC engine's performance is not linear and it requires certain minimum RPM, that is rotations per minute, to deliver desired horsepower and torque. Moreover, these high-capacity IC engines cost a lot. Whereas an electric car has an electric motor as the drive and has all the required characteristics that a car requires. Let's consider an induction motor electric car for example. Induction motor speed can vary from 0 to 18,000 RPM. Also, induction motor provides torque at every speed level. This makes the car highly responsive and punchy. An IC engine's reciprocatory motion of pistons is converted into rotational motion by the crankshaft. The wheel axle is connected to the IC engine through a gear transmission system, which makes the whole setup complicated and heavy. Whereas the motor shaft can directly be connected to the wheel axle. Also, an electric motor inherently produces rotational motion. Hence, in the case of a motor, the weight of the complete setup becomes very less as compared to that of an IC engine setup. We pay an extra premium for automatic transmission cars. Whereas electric cars are inherently automatic. Induction motor speed varies proportionally to the power source frequency. Hence, the speed of an electric car can be easily varied by changing supply frequency. A power source in an electric car is a battery set, which is a DC power source. To convert DC to AC, inverters are used in the car. With this converter, frequency of the power source to the induction motor can be controlled. This way, speed of the induction motor and subsequently the speed of the car can be controlled in a very smooth and efficient way. Making IC engine cars automatic is a very complicated and tedious job. Moreover, it needs a lot more mechanical and electronics components to make IC engine automatic gear shifts smooth. Whereas there are no multiple gears in electric cars, hence no question of gear shifts. Also, the rotation of the induction motor can be reversed just by interchanging any two phases. Hence, even for reverse movement, an electric car does not need gear shifts. With fewer moving parts, electric cars have remarkably low noise levels than IC engine cars. Regenerative braking makes electric cars more economic than IC engine cars. An electric car produces electric power when brakes are applied. Hence, the battery set is charged while braking the speed of an electric car. Since this huge battery set in an electric car is placed on the bottom floor of the car, this lowers the center of gravity, that is CG, of the cars significantly and enhances the rigidity of the car floor, making the car more stable and safe. Electric cars do not have an exhaust outlet and hence do not cause pollution at the car level. With a few mechanical moving parts, electric cars need fewer lubricants and cooling fluids, which in turn need less maintenance work. EVs are easy to drive as it has only a brake pedal and accelerator. EVs don't have a clutch pedal. And we don't need to change gear in EVs. Now, the main point, why only EV will be the vehicle of future commute. In the future, the generation of electric power will be done from sustainable, environment-friendly and clean energy such as solar energy, wind energy, etc., and only electric vehicles can run on electric power. And this way EVs will have zero carbon emissions. IC engines have no such option of fuel. Some major challenges in the use of EVs are its charging time and driving kilometer range in a single charge of the battery. These challenges are likely to be overcome since all the big automobile manufacturers are working on the solution. So, guys, electric cars are superior, comfortable and luxurious as compared to IC engine cars. This video is not to demean the IC engine cars. IC engine has been serving humankind for generations and we love IC engine cars. But the future is of EVs. Hope you liked the video. If yes, please press the like button. For more videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.